Today, I went to school despite my difficulty walking after a vehicular accident. As I walk, I realized that I've been through a lot this year, which led me to further realizations. A walk with God doesn't always mean an easy path. It often involves struggling through trials and tribulations. But despite this, we know that God is with us, giving us strength in the midst of the storm. Therefore, we can find hope, turn worries into worship, and trust God even when life doesn't make sense. True worship means being grateful to God even when our lives are not going well. We just have to move forward with our faith and not be discouraged. Let's continue trusting that we will arrive at the destination God has prepared for us, no matter how hard the process may be. God bless.